All right, so I have this, and I started pulling these out as well. I mean, these probably can go in the trash. I have extra these. I think these are the labels for those clear dots. So I would probably never use those, so toss them. So my original e-file actually had a European connector. So I have this, but that e-file is broken, and I tried to go get it shipped out, and they wanted like $200 to ship it out, plus obviously the repair, and then ship it back. It was way more than the e-file. So I bought a new one, and I've tried a couple more. So probably don't need this anytime soon. I don't know where those go to. You know what, those actually I think go to that e-file, because to take it off, you have to pull them off and unscrew it. All right, so I'm thinking this one or this one to be my stamping plates. Maybe I'll do this one and then just have like storage below, because then we actually start getting into supplies. So let me clean this drawer out. All right, now that that's clean, I do have, I'm trying to think where I put them. So Talia from Talia's Nail Tales, if you don't follow her, I'm sure you do already, but if you don't, check her out. She has this new system that she has for stamping plates and then the plastic. And ironically, I used to sell stickers and I would do the same thing. Never occurred to me to do it with my stamping plates. So let's bring them out. Well, I have no clue what to do with like my extra products. I have these. I also have these. Actually, I need that. Like, oh, really? Does this one work? Okay. That what we're gonna do here? That fits straight up. Obviously, that's not going to work long term. I literally never use this. I don't know why I keep it, but I do keep it. I don't know. Guess out of habit. I mean, it is better. So I assume this looks different to you. My nail setup will be here again, but it's currently in the middle. So this was my work desk that I did in the pandemic. So there used to be a dresser here like forever ago. And then I had the white desk, and then I had a black desk here. And the reason I had the black desk there is so I could have my dual monitors. Right? I mean, come on. So these will go back over here. I have to build this guy. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do here. So my original thought was to have both of these under here, because in reality, I'm not working on clients. So like I can reach in here and figure out the colors I want. And like this, what I probably should do is put my gel colors like down here. And I have down here some of my crochet items. I think this is more nail, no judgment. Let's not look at that one. And then I got more down here. And then this side, like just random stuff. But this drawer is going to be fully cleared out, which I think would be good to do. Is that really as far as it goes? Okay. That I could move the gel colors over there and just things that I don't touch very much over there. And then there's going to be another one of these desks. So I'm gonna get another one of these. I have my tile that I film on here. I plan on putting both of my lights on each side. This is not staying here. That might go downstairs. I might try to see if my husband will switch with me because he has my other one. But if not, I think I'm gonna put it there, and it is what it is. And so I have my normal one still down there. But then this is also gonna have that type of desk, and it's gonna come probably to like right there. So it's gonna fill up majority of the room still. But I wanted a nicer setup, especially since I am like committed to working from home now. And I got to address all of this once this is done. So surprise, completely different. Also, can we talk? I am so stinking close. I just uploaded that video too. But look, I'm so close to 10,000. Hopefully I'll have 10 by the time you guys see this, because that would be cool. All right, so this is what we're working with for now. So this desk setup is my office. So this is where I also work from home and edit my videos and do all that good stuff. Third floor, so got that little ladder escape. So we got these, and then this is my nail desk. I have not put that up. So I'm actually going to make all the wires come up onto the underside. So they will all be off the ground here, and it's gonna make such a difference. Have my little purifier. This is still the same. Well, I digress. We're getting a little, okay, not the same. Okay, that's fine. But these guys, so this is all of like my nail stuff. I moved the gel. So this is my solid gels. These are my glitter gels. I have to recolor coat these. But they were right there. Obviously, that's something that I'm not going to be reaching a ton. But this is some of my crochet stuff, which I'm thinking, since it's not used a ton, like when I need a color, I pick out the color. So I'm thinking of moving that up here. I did stick my ALEANA-HAND there, like the thing, what was it called? Display thing. And then I have some empties back there. But other than that, it's my goods. Also, I don't think I've posted the video of this color yet. Oh, and of course it's backwards. Hang on. This is the summer. Come on. Oh, I guess I probably shouldn't squeeze the container. Look at this coloring. I'm obsessed. I'm pasty. So needless to say, anytime I'm posting videos, it's always of my pasty self. And I really wanted a deeper skin tone to add to my channel. So I picked up another one of those. I do have a discount code with them. I purchased everything myself. So it's just a discount code that I was able to get. And then this is my one that I'm doing, like the medium skin tone. So I have my pasty self, then I have a medium skin tone, and then I have that darker skin tone. So that's all that stuff there. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah. And then down here is my glitters, which also got messed up when I moved. So I kind of maybe dropped this a little bit, so. And then I have these ones. So this is some of the ones I have to like take these out of, but these are like the bullion beads. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with them. And then this is like my nail art-ish section. Same with this one. So I have the foils and stuff here, which I love this drawer. Like this drawer has always done me like really well, including just having some of my foils here. These foils, which are the Moira foils, those foils, I posted a video forever ago with the Moira foil stamping, and I was like, it doesn't work well. I used just like a normal one, like super thin normal one, and just didn't work well. They make special foils for it, and you gotta use those foils and it works great. Yeah, this is like my second favorite drawer. I'm obsessed. Like look at these striping. These are from Double Dip. Obsessed. I actually did a video. I will link it there, maybe. I have my 3D gel back here, which I just did another video about those. So at some point you're gonna see all this stuff. And then these guys, I haven't pulled these out in actually quite some time. And I was thinking about them the other day, because like my organization is great, but sometimes I feel like I need to just take some of the items out so I have it right in front of me. And then I have these guys that I did get from AliExpress, the thermal ones. I actually linked some on Amazon that you don't have to wait forever to get in that video. And then I still got these guys, which I haven't even taken out of the container. But these kind of here are going to be reorganized. I'm going to take out those back there. So I still have quite a bit of organization to do. So I'm trying to figure out really what's the best way to go about it. And I cannot change these. I'm obsessed with this packaging. This is the, just gonna let that go, Magpie glitters. And plus, this was their Mother's Day collection, I believe like 2 years ago at this point. I'm obsessed. And then I got this in a nail exchange, which I use this for sugaring all the time. Look at these colors. You know what I should have put this on. Like any neon that I wear, I always put this on. Actually, I'm wearing, ignore my carpet. I literally just cleaned a whole bunch. The same color on my toes, and I should have put this on. I put, where are you? Where are you? I don't even see it. Oh, here it is, Mango Crush on it. Which, I mean, still looks great, but I should have done the glitter. So yeah, that's where we are for the organization. And then I have this out because I wanted this to be flush, like almost flush with the desk here. So I'm probably going to get something to go back there, whether it just be like a plate or something, like just to cover it, or like a little trash can to go back there. Sorry, losing my voice here. And then this is my filming setup. Originally, I was going to have it mount on the wall. I'm not sure if I said this already, but this would turn the camera sideways and my videos are long ways, so it just wouldn't work. And I debated like moving, no. I think this setup in here, and then, I mean, this is my guest room, so, and then you got all that. I think this is the best of both worlds, to be honest, so here we are.